Correct installation of the PMT Mousetrap motion attachment begins with the positioning of the mounting and fixing holes. Always ensure the mount is installed with the 5-hole arc forward toward the front of the vehicle from the main 3/8 inch through hole. A stop bolt should be installed into at least one of the 5 holes to limit rotation. This can be repositioned to suit the user's preference of movement. A second stop bolt can always be requested if desired to further bias or limit the rotation of the mousetrap, including the ability to fully lock out any rotation. To extend the mousetrap, a release lever is located on the underside, which should be pulled to allow for it to be extended toward the operator. Simply push the mousetrap to retract. If the mount is pushed with light force, it will stop one position away from fully retracted. If the mount is pushed with a harder force, it will fully retract. This is designed so that in an emergency situation, the mount retracts as far away from the user as possible. PMT does not recommend driving a vehicle with the mousetrap extended. It should always be placed into the fully retracted position before vehicle operation should begin. Note the nylon washers within both the mousetrap and the tilt mounting bolt assembly are wear items, which should be periodically inspected for loosening and may require retorquing to the correct torque. All information for correct operation and installation can be found on our website at precisionmounts.com.